Hey guys, quick hands-on review of the Windone RM7 electric dirt bike. And I'll tell you straight up if it's actually worth your money. So first impressions. This thing looks like a mini motocross bike. It's got that aggressive off-road design, chunky tires, and honestly, it feels way more motorcycle than bicycle. Power-wise, you're getting a $2,200 peak motor, and it really does move. Top speed is around 35 to 37 mph, depending on rider weight and terrain. For something in this price range, that's pretty impressive. On the ride side, the suspension is surprisingly decent. It soaks up bumps on dirt trails pretty well, and the hydraulic disc brakes give you solid stopping power, which you definitely need at these speeds. Battery life is also pretty solid. You're looking at roughly 40 to 45 miles per charge if you're not riding it like you stole it. Now the downsides, it's heavy. Not something you'll want to carry around. And build quality, while good, still feels more budget level in a few areas. So final verdict? It's not perfect, but for the price, the Windone RM7 is a fun, fast off-road machine. If you want something beginner-friendly with real power, it's actually a pretty solid buy.